How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. This is going to be a little bit of a rant. I just want to talk about some of the worst cars to work on. Just the ones that just you dread. As soon as they say the make and model, you just go, oh man, I hope it's not in this area and all this other good stuff. So first thing that comes to mind is these freaking cargo vans, kind of like what I have. In order to get to like the quarter panels and a long cargo area, it is just extremely tough. Your tools are just not designed for that. You know, you need like a 7-foot whale tail to get to anything. The doors have to come off the rear. It's just complete mess. Second car is bedsides. Truck bedsides are just awkward. They don't have any leverage point. You end up having to build something out of wood or leverage off of something. If you don't have the dent dial, then you probably need to get one because that's kind of the best tool to use, at least in my opinion. You can actually get a longer bit and be able to put a 2x4 or just level off a block of like a 4x4. It's a very good tool if you do a lot of bedsides. And then the other car that comes into mind is the Audi, like any of the Audis, like the Audi Q7s, the Q5s, they always get the dents right there on the body line, at the lower part. Your tool, you don't have any leverage when your tool goes all the way down to the door. You end up having to take out the door trim, the carrier plate, the window regulator, all of that stuff to properly, I mean, some guys drill, that's fine. But if the customer doesn't want you to drill, you have to take all of that stuff out. I don't know about you, sometimes it's the smallest dent on that body line, which would only be maybe $150, $200. But then you need $200, $300 in R&I work. And with the recent things of pre and post scans and clearing all those codes or anything that you disconnect, that takes more time. That you have to articulate that to the customer. And a lot of times they really don't understand what it takes to do that little small 2-inch dent. Anyway, this is just a quick rant. We all have those cars. Those are the three that kind of came to mind. Leave some comments below what your worst cars to work on. But I've been working on a bunch of Audis and cargo vans, and I am dreading every day working on those cars. But hey, it's a fun discussion. Leave your worst vehicles that you don't want to work on in the comment below. Let's get a little chat going here. See you guys on the next video. If you haven't already, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.